Here's some graph theory trivia. Subscribe. Which theorem relates spanning trees to matrix ranks? Is it A, matrix tree theorem, B, Pythagorean theorem, C, Max-Flow theorem, or D, Euler's theorem? The correct answer is A, matrix tree theorem. What term describes a vertex of degree 0? Is it A, junction point, B, hub vertex, C, isolated vertex, or D, peripheral node? The correct answer is C, isolated vertex. What is the name of a complete graph on 4 vertices? Is it A, K3, B, K4, C, K5, or D, K2? The correct answer is B, K4. Which algorithm finds the shortest path in a weighted graph? Is it A, greedy algorithm, B, Kruskal's algorithm, C, Dijkstra's algorithm, or D, Prim's algorithm? The correct answer is C, Dijkstra's algorithm. What is the maximum number of edges in a simple graph? Is it A, n plus 2, B, n plus 3, or D, n minus 1 over 2? The correct answer is D, n of 1, 2. Which type of graph has nodes with unique paths between them? Is it A, lattice, B, tree, C, cycle, or D, graph? The correct answer is B, tree. Which method enables traversal through all vertices of a graph? Is it A, depth limiting, B, graph traversal, C, vertex coloring, or D, shortest path? The correct answer is B, graph traversal. Which distinguished mathematician is recognized for contributions to graph theory? Is it A, Carl Friedrich Gauss, B, Isaac Newton, C, Leonhard Euler, or D, Henri Poincaré? The correct answer is C, Leonhard Euler. What famous problem involves finding a path through 7 bridges? Is it A, 7 wonders, B, traveling salesman, C, 7 bridges of Königsberg, or D, bridges of London? The correct answer is C, 7 bridges of Königsberg. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.